Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to delete and deactivate your Fiverr account. First of all, you have to open your browser and here you have to log into your Fiverr account. Now here you have to tap on top left 3 lines. When you click on this here you have to scroll down bit. Now here you have to click on settings. After that you have to select deactivate account. When you select the deactivated account, click on your reason below and type your reason due to which you want to deactivate the account. After typing the reason, you have to click on simply deactivate. As soon as you click on deactivate, you can see here that our Fiverr account has been deleted and has also been deactivated. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.